Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready. Turn on Bluetooth and keep your iPhone within range. Once done, open the Airpods case beside the phone to trigger the status pop-up that shows both earbud and case percentages. Make sure the earbuds are sitting properly in the case and the case has some charge. Otherwise, readings can be inaccurate. If you use Android or a non-Apple device, pair first and move to Device Bluetooth settings to view battery tiles or status text. Now check specific sources. Swipe to Today View on iPhone and inspect the batteries widget to see individual percentages over time. This updates as you use them. Next, open Control Center while AirPods are connected to quickly view battery level. If you use a Mac or Apple Watch, those devices display the same information in their Bluetooth or battery menus. This helps confirm discrepancies. You can also ask Siri for a quick readout if your hands are busy. Siri reports each bud and case percent. To finalize, close and reopen the case to refresh the phone's pop-up and confirm the displayed percentages. Keep an eye on the case LED. Green means charged, amber indicates partial charge, and no light suggests a depleted case. If battery info doesn't appear, try reconnecting by turning Bluetooth off/on or restarting your device. As a last resort, reset your AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.